Ever wonder how celebrities get that gorgeous smudged eyeliner look? I'm gonna show you how. When I used to assist Lindsay Zabit, she taught me this, and basically you just line with a eyeliner pencil. This is MAC Teddy, which is like a fan fave, so tightly line. And take a flat brush and a light transition shade. Just gonna get behind the lashes and pull up, 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 up. Okay, wait, you always have to line underneath your waterline. Now, like, that lash line looks so dense. And then when you add your mascara, it just pulls the focus right to your eye.